Hello everyone, so welcome back. And I know I look so different. I went for a haircut yesterday and I got bangs, if you can see already, and I don't know how I like it because I don't hate it obviously, but I don't love it. And look at this one. So yesterday I went and I've been planning on getting bangs for a long time, and because of the lockdown and everything I could not go, and this time I decided and I went. It was fine. I don't hate it, but it's obviously a lot of work, so I don't know if I'll be able to manage it because my hair are not used to sitting on my forehead like that. And I obviously did it because I have a huge forehead and I wanted to cover it up with something and I wanted to change my look, so I went ahead and did this. I hate this hair. I don't know how to fix it. Like, it's, you see, it's all wiggly. Don't hate it, don't love it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing it or it'll be something that you'll see me in. Let me know in the comments, do you guys like it? If you like it, then say. If you don't like it, then just... So yeah, this is the new me that you're gonna see, at least through this vlog. And I don't know if I'm gonna keep it because it's high maintenance. When I'm working, I don't want hair falling on my eyes and everything. So yeah, we don't know. I'm not regretting it at all. I like it, but I don't know if I can maintain it. That's on me. So yeah, that happened. And apart from that, today is Thursday. I woke up around not that early actually. I woke up around 9:30, 10, and I cooked food because I have teaching today. So Thursdays I teach from 2 to 5. So since I have to leave the house by 1:30, I'm not very comfortable in sitting down and studying, because when I study in like long sittings. I don't just you know, like, I cannot just wake up early in the morning and study and then get ready and then go to college. It's just not me, and I'm still getting used to it. So what I did is I cooked food. So I made dal and jeera aloo, and yeah, I just made sure that I was productive in the morning. Even if I was not working, I took care of my laundry, and now I'm just having my breakfast. It's around 1 o'clock and I'm having curd with some blueberries and granola. This is what I generally have every day, or most days. I have to go for teaching. I think it's 1:15 right now, and I have to leave in 15 minutes. And other than that, oh, I took the vaccination for COVID. I don't know if I told you guys, but I went for a volunteering program and I volunteered there for 3 hours, and I got my first dose last week. And yeah, I'm so glad that I got this opportunity and I took it. And I don't know why people are saying don't take it. I think it's just, it doesn't make sense to me. If you're somebody who believes in science, and all the doctors have taken it, all the healthcare providers, nurses, firefighters, all the people who do such important work, like the police officers, have taken the medicine here. So I think it's fine, you can take the vaccination. So I did that, and now I'm just waiting for my second dose, which is on 17th of March. Hey guys, so welcome back. I am going for my COVID vaccination. So I'm volunteering today for my vaccination. So it's like, if I volunteer for like 3 hours, I get my vaccination in sometimes.
Ready?
Yeah, it's not gonna hurt, right? It's not gonna hurt, right?
It's not bad, no.
Okay.
Just put your arm, hang down and relax. How's that?
And nothing.
Nothing, right? Not too bad. There you go.
Thank you. That's all for the update. Now I'm quickly gonna go and eat my breakfast and head out for my lab. I'm not gonna film anything else right now. I might film some things tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday actually, and I have meetings. But yeah, I just wanted to come in and check in with you guys. But I'm gonna film bits and pieces throughout this weekend, and then I'll upload it next week. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna head out, and I'll see you guys maybe sometime later. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. And I think I started the vlog and I didn't film much things this week because it was a hectic week for me. I have been working on multiple projects. I was working on my paper, which is almost done. I have to do some work today on that, and I think it should be done by March 15th, like submitted, hopefully. So I'm working on that. I'm also working on my research with my other professor and a lot of other things going on in my life. So yeah, this is how things have been, and I just don't know what to vlog actually. I always think of vlogging, but then I'm like, I've done this, I've done that, just I don't know what difference to vlog. So today is a Saturday, guys, and I woke up around 10 o'clock, had my breakfast, did some cleaning. I love cleaning on Saturdays and Sundays, so I did some took care of the kitchen and all, and then I took a shower, washed my hair. And if you have not seen, this is my new hair. I don't know how I'm styling it or what. It's just a change. I don't know how long it's gonna be like this because it's kind of annoying to have bangs on your head all the time, but I'm just liking it right now, so I'm just keeping it. Apart from that, I got dressed and I'm going to a cafe to study. I'm going to the same cafe that I went in my last vlog because I'm already getting emails and it's Saturday. So I'm going to that cafe that I went last time. So that's why I was thinking if I should film it or if I should not film it. I don't know. So apart from this, what I wanted to show you guys is my to-do list because it's huge. This is my to-do list, and this is just work related stuff, and it's a lot. And I always like to keep my to-do list just on my laptop like this right here, so that I don't get distracted and do something else instead of working, which also happens a lot to me actually. So I'm gonna do that. And what else to so yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about. Thank you so much for showing so much love on my last vlog. I really liked it, and I almost replied back to all the comments. I'm gonna reply back to the ones that I didn't today. So yeah, it's just nice to see good comments flying in from people that I don't know personally and people who don't know me personally. And yeah, today I just want to be productive, want to work a lot on a lot of things. Even though it's weekend, I still want to work because this week has been hectic and I've just been doing a lot of paper related work, which takes a lot of time but doesn't show up. So I just been, I don't know, just been a funky mood actually lately. So I'm gonna do so I'm just gonna go and work on my paper first and then work on my research. And I also wanted to edit a video, so I've been getting requests on different kind of videos. You guys want me to do a skin video because touch wood, my skin has been doing really good and I want to film that video. I just don't know when. I think it should go live. Look out for my skin video. I don't know what kind of video I want it to be. Maybe like a story. Maybe I'll share the befores and after and what I did and what all did not work for me, something like that. I'll do that. And apart from that, I also wanted to do a study with me vlog, a video study with me, but I don't know how to do it. I don't have a spare battery for my phone. I don't have a very huge memory card, so I'm just trying to figure out all the logistics of those, and once that is figured out, I'm gonna do a study with me. For now, I'm just gonna pack my bag, guys. I'm late. It's almost 1 o'clock and I want to study for at least 4 hours. So I want to study till 5 o'clock and then I am gonna talk to you guys after some time. I talk a lot, I know. I'll catch you guys in some time now. I might vlog some things in the cafe. So yeah, bye. I'm working on a lot of things, and I thought of vlogging today and then ending the vlog here because I think we have a lot of footage. I don't know. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm doing on a Monday, and it's also 1st of March today, so it's like supposed to be a super Monday because it's Monday, start of the week, start of the month. I don't know, I get excited about these things. I'm sure a lot of people don't, but I do, and I like it. So yeah, I am quickly gonna show you guys my agenda for today, and then we'll see how the day goes. And I'm also super hungry. It's around 12 o'clock and it's almost time to break my fast, so I'm gonna also have something. I'm also gonna have my breakfast. I'm clearly running out of words today. I have YouTube, I have my computer, and I have my to-do list, and all of this needs to be done by this meeting at 5 p.m. I know I won't be able to complete like all of these things, but I have one done because I did that last night, and these all will take a lot of time, so I have to do these by today. And then I have my plan. Okay, so right now it's 1:50 and I want to go and have lunch now because I'm hungry and I've been sitting here for 2 hours, which is not much, but it's nice to have a break sometimes, to just, you know, chill for some time. So I like taking lunch breaks. Even though I work from home, I still like to take my lunch break outside. So I'm gonna cook something. I think I'm gonna make oats chilla. So it's like oats ka chilla with dahi and achar, because I don't know, I just feel like eating something. Generally I eat salads, but today I just feel like eating something, cooking something, you know. So I'm gonna make oats ka chilla, and then I'm gonna take a break, eat, and come back and study. I think around 2:30, 2:45, I don't know, around 2:45 to do rest of my things. I'm almost like midway into my to-do list, so that's exciting. So I think I'll have some things to show by 5 p.m. All right. Welcome back. Just had my lunch. I literally inhaled my lunch, and right now it's 2:45 and I took an hour break, and now I am back with my coffee and I'm gonna power through. So I'm having my coffee. It's so good. I have a bunch of emails that I got and I have to reply back to those, and yeah, I'm just gonna work till 5 o'clock. Hopefully I can get my presentation, like my report, ready by 5, and then from 5 to 6 I have my meeting, and after 6 I think I'm gonna go hit the gym today because it's Monday. It's super Monday. It's 1st of March and Monday. Wow, that is so inspiring. So yeah, I'm gonna now study. I'm not gonna bore you guys with another time stamp of me studying, so I'm just gonna keep the camera away and just work for 2 hours straight and eating or so. Bye.